98%.
In an overwhelming vote, a group of 16,000 Alberta health workers have voted to strike. That includes licensed practical nurses, care aides, rehab workers, and others, all represented by the Alberta Union of Provincial Employees, or AUPE.
They are fed up with stagnant wages and unsafe working conditions that hurts workers, patients, and Alberta's public health care system.
The news comes about a week after the UCP government used the notwithstanding clause to force 51,000 striking teachers back to work and impose a new contract on them. AUPE's president says her members are clearly not scared by those tactics.
Well, I have no doubt that that was the intent of the government is to interfere with bargaining as much as they can and to create an environment where we don't trust the employer.
Strike notice could be served on November 17th, but it could be small because many AUPE members are deemed essential, so they will have to keep working. The Premier, who just returned from a trade mission to Saudi Arabia, grilled about labor disputes in the legislature.
This government deliberately ignores these areas because they don't have any solutions. So is this government engineering another strike so they can once again use the notwithstanding clause, or are they actually going to bargain in good faith?
We always bargain in good faith. There's certain things that have to be worked out after wage settlements are through.
The finance minister said an offer to AUPE of 12% more over 4 years is fair. That is a similar deal teachers rejected, but were ultimately forced to take. Nate Horner says some nurses are asking for raises up to 55% plus fewer working hours, which would hurt patient care and add $2 billion in costs.
You know, I do think that we're very far apart if you look at those numbers. Like, we need to get into some form of a landing zone to get a deal. That's not something you've seen across the country, increases like that.
The earliest these workers could walk out is November 20th, but a deal could be reached before then. Mediation is expected to start on Thursday and go through the weekend. From the legislature, Sean Amato, City News.